Are you looking for the best big tunneled tent? In this video we will look at some of the best big tunnel tent on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sonuto Outdoor Single Person Lightweight Tent. The whole tent weighs only 2.5 kilograms, and the inner tent weighs 1 kilogram, which is easy to carry. The 7075 aluminium alloy frame rods and floor nails provide stable support. Oxford fabric outer tent with tear resistance 210D, waterproof adhesive coating. Waterproof index up to 3000 mm, makes you dry and comfortable. A large area of the inner tent mesh and a small window design of the outer tent to ensure the internal airflow of the tent. One simple design can be completed in 30 seconds. More convenient for outdoor activities. 4 corners of the tent can be removed and attached to the camp bed and suitable for mountains, beaches and grass. 2000 mm, total minus 3000 mm, which can withstand heavy rain and cause you to worry outdoors. Waterproof index of the bottom of the tent, 1500 mm, to prevent the moisture of the ground affect your comfort inside the tent. Accessories for 6 floor nails, 2 storage bags, 1 strut, 1 inner tent, 1 outer accessory consisting of 6 floor nails, 2 storage bags, 2 windbreaker, 1 pole, 1 inner tent, 1 outer account. This 2-story tent is lightweight, waterproof, breathable and easy to build. This 2-story tent is perfect for climbers. Number 2. Naturehike 2023 Opalus Tunnel Tent. In the realm of outdoor adventures, few experiences rival the serenity and thrill of camping amidst nature's embrace. Whether you're embarking on a solo journey or sharing the adventure with loved ones, the choice of a reliable tent can make all the difference. Enter the Naturehike Opalus series, a lineup of versatile tents designed to cater to the needs of both seasoned explorers and novice adventurers alike. At the heart of the Opalus series lies a commitment to quality, durability, and functionality. Available in 2, 3, and 4-person capacities, these tents are engineered to withstand the rigors of all 4 seasons while maintaining a lightweight and portable design. Crafted from premium materials, including 20D waterproof fabric, the Opalus tent offers unparalleled protection against the elements without compromising on weight or bulkiness. One of the standout features of the Opalus tent is its ultralight construction, making it an ideal companion for backpackers and hikers seeking to minimize their load. Despite its featherweight design, the tent doesn't skimp on space or comfort. With ample room to stretch out and relax, even the 2-person variant provides generous headroom and storage options for gear, ensuring a comfortable night's rest after a day of exploration. Number 3. Shelter Tunnel Type Tent. This one-piece Oxford fabric tent with bed is a high-quality outdoor leisure product. It is made of Oxford fabric and has a variety of functions such as shade and sun protection, wind and rain protection, double-layer storm protection, breathable and mosquito-proof, etc. It is ideal for outdoor camping, travel and camping activities. The tent is also easy to store and can be easily folded and stored, making it convenient to carry. This tent is made of high-quality Oxford fabric, which can effectively block out the sun and make you more comfortable when you are outdoors. Wind and rain proof. The tent is designed to be wind and rain proof, which can effectively prevent the wind and rain from attacking you, making you safer when you are outdoors. The tent is made of Oxford fabric, which is wear resistant, durable and waterproof, allowing it to be used for a long time in the outdoor environment. The tent is designed with double-layer storm-proof features, which can effectively prevent storm attacks and give you more peace of mind when you are outdoors. The tent is designed to be breathable and mosquito-proof, which effectively prevents mosquito bites and makes you more comfortable when you are outdoors. The tent can be easily folded and stored, making it convenient to carry, ideal for outdoor camping, travel and camping activities. Number 4. Folding Portable Mosquito Net for Trips Mesh Tent. The screen tent is made of polyester fabric and can accommodate 1-2 people. Only 0.58 kilograms, lightweight, easy to store and carry. Suitable for camping, hiking, picnics and many other activities. This screen house room style canopy, ready to use out of the box. No assembly required. Easy to set up in less than a minute. Built-in corner to reveal ring is conducive to fixed. The included storage bag provides a portable function of storage at any time. You can take it anywhere you go. The unique triangle design has the utilization of stability. This pop-up screen house camping canopy comes with durable center hub on the side for attaching more exterior and more sturdy, and the bottom comes with wind rope and ground peg interface to meet more of your needs. This mesh style of tent pop-up screen has the use of air circulation to prevent mosquitoes from entering, providing you with a comfortable camping space. Note: not waterproof, not suitable for rainy days. Number 5. Windscreen inflatable tent. The car awning features of a portable and detachable sunshade shelter to the side, providing 3-sided protection from sun, wind or rain, so that you can enjoy a comfortable car camping experience with this additional protection. The car side awning comes with 8 mesh bags and 1 hanging rope, providing you with more storage options than a traditional car awning, which allowing you to store all kinds of camping essentials such as cookwares, food, drinks while you are enjoying outdoor cooking or a camping picnic. Just say goodbye to clutter and save car camping space. A large sunshade that is big enough to cover camp tables, chairs, or provide a shady place for children to play. Despite its size, it can be packed into a compact carrying size of 16.5 by 6 by 6 inches and weighs only about 6.6 pounds. This makes it easy to store and take with anywhere you want to go: camping, weekend picnic, family parties, porting events, etc. Water-resistant polyester material and equipped with 2 durable aluminium poles and 2 strong suction cups to stabilize the SUV truck tent, making it super quick and easy to assemble. To make the awning even more sturdy, simply set the attached guy lines and stakes. The portable tailgate tent awning is designed to fit most vehicles, cars, SUV, RV, trucks, etc. It serves as an excellent sunshade shelter for car camping and can also be set up as a ground shelter for a variety of outdoor activities. Its large space and stable structure make it a versatile option for any outdoor adventure.